Centering a button in Tailwind CSS is easy with its utility first classes. Whether you want to center the button horizontally, vertically, or both, Tailwind provides flexible solutions. Here's how. Horizontal centering. To center the button horizontally within a container, you can use the MX Auto class. Here's an example. MX Auto adds equal left and right margins, centering the button. Block makes the button a block level element, so MX Auto works. BG Blue 500 text white styles the button with a blue background and white text. BX6BY3 adds padding for spacing inside the button. Rounded applies rounded corners. Vertical and horizontal centering. To center a button both horizontally and vertically, you can use Flexbox classes. Flex enables Flexbox on the container. Justify center centers the button horizontally. Item center centers the button vertically. Screen sets the container's height to 100% of the viewport height.